at those people from Anioma, some of them that believe they are not Igbo. Biafra, where do you come from? Huh?
Obiaruku.
You are from where?
Obiaruku, Delta Igbo.
Obiaruku, Delta Igbo. Yes. How do they used to say it?
Mmiri na-ezwe n'ishi.
Huh?
Mmiri na-ezwe n'ishi.
Mmiri na-ezo n'isi. What is head in your dialect?
Ishi.
What is head in your dialect?
Ishi.
What is hand in your dialect?
Eka.
Eka. What is leg in your dialect?
Uku.
What is neck in your dialect?
Onu.
Olu. So are you Igbo girl?
Yes, Delta.
Are you Igbo girl?
Yeah. Yes, Delta.
Wait. What is Delta?
Delta.
Mark, what is Delta?
Delta Igbo.
What is Delta? What is your native name?
Ngozi.
What is your father's name?
Felix.
What is your surname?
Nwabike.
And you are not Igbo, you are Delta. Everything will change. Everything will change. So you are not Igbo, you are Delta.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You are not Igbo, you are Delta.
Yes, sir.
You are not Igbo, you are Delta.
Delta Igbo.
So you are not Igbo, you are just Delta, right?
Half of Igbo, Delta Igbo. Delta Igbo.
Half of Igbo, half of Delta.
Huh? Yes.
Who gave you the name Delta?
I don't know that one. No.
You don't know? What Civil War have done to our people? Your name is what?
Ngozi.
Those people from the southeast, do you know that their name is also Ngozi?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Your own Ngozi and their own Ngozi, does it have different spelling?
No, it's the same.
The same spelling. If they are speaking, will you understand? You will understand. If they are speaking, will you understand?
I will understand small.
If they are speaking, you will understand small.
Yes.
How? Why will you understand small? But there are people called worry.
Yes.
They are in Delta.
Yes.
If they speak, will you understand anything?
No.
So why are you understanding small from Igbo and you are not understanding from worry that is from your Delta?
Because their pronunciation and our own almost look the same.
Your Igbo pronunciation and your own is always the same.
Yes.
So why are you not answering Ngozi? Because Ngozi is Igbo name.
We are Delta Igbo. I don't know. Let's see.
There is nothing like Delta Igbo. Before they begin to call you Delta Igbo, you were once Bendel Igbo. You are like that. Nothing like Delta Igbo. Ibuzo, Obachuku, Ubuluku, Opanam. All of them are Igbo people. But they carve you in South does not make you half Igbo. You are not half Igbo. You are 100% Igbo. You are Igbo the same way with those in the Southeast. The government gave you name Delta. Doesn't make you the same way they gave me Imo. They gave some people Anambra. Those names you are mentioning is government. Before the name Delta, who are you? Igbo. Are you listening to me now?
Yes, sir.
There is 4 market days in your village.
Yes.
Can you mention it?
Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo.
So anybody that tells you, so now you know you are Igbo 100%. You don't still know.
We don't used to believe that we are Igbo, but we don't used to say we are Igbo.
Wait, louder your voice.
We don't used to agree that we are Igbo because our own is Delta Igbo. Those ones, we used to think they are speaking rubbish. We are speaking the real one.
The lady said that she is from Delta Igbo, from Obiaroko community. And Obiaroko community is located in Ukwuani land. All those things that she said in her language are all Igbo words. Anyone that is speaking Ukwuani language is speaking Igbo language. Ukwuani language is classified as an Igboid language. It's an Igboid language, not Igbo language. Of course, it's Igbo language. Some Ukwuani people will tell you that Ukwuani language is Igboid, but Ukwuani is not Igbo. Just imagine. She said that her father's name is Nwabuike and her own name is Ngozi. And after that, she said that she is Delta and not Igbo. Is Delta the name of a tribe? No. Is Delta the name of an ethnic nationality? No. Is Delta the name of a community? No. Is Delta the name of an ancestor? No. Person don't know the meaning of tribe. Person don't know the meaning of ethnic nationality. I've always said it that Ukwuani is an Igbo tribe. Ukwuani is not an ethnic nationality. I not blame the girl because now so she take grow up. There are people are saying that they are not Igbo people. Though not all Obiaroko people will tell you that they are not Igbos. So many Obiaroko people will tell you that they are Igbo people. Ibad say youths where they this age not know where she belong. What is the meaning of delta? A delta is a low-lying, often triangular landform created by the deposition of sediments at the mouth of a river, where it empties into a slower moving body of water, such as an ocean, sea, or lake. Delta say na where water gather from there enter inside ocean. Is that the identity of we Ukwuani people? No. Is that the identity of Oshimiri and Anioma people? No. Is that the identity of Ika people? No. You are not Ukwuani person that is speaking Igbo language. They ask you, what tribe are you? What is your ethnic nationality? Instead of saying Igbo because your language is Igbo, your culture and tradition is Igbo, you say that you are Delta. Are you Igbo? No. What are you? I am Delta. Delta that has no meaning in Ukwuani language. Delta that is not an Ukwuani word. You don't say that be your identity. If we Ukwuani, Ika, Oshimiri and Anioma people come out from Delta states, can't get Anioma states, are you still going to be saying that you are not Igbo, you are Delta? Abuna go start to talk say we are not Igbo, we are Anioma. Confused people everywhere. She said that we Ukwuani people are half Igbo. Can you imagine? There is nothing like half Igbo. Ukwuani people are 100% Igbo people. The Igbos in Anambra State are not more Igbo than we Ukwuani people. Igbos in Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia states, they are not more Igbo than we Ukwuani people. They are not more Igbo than Ika people, Oshimiri, and Anioma people. And we Ukwuani people are not more Igbo than our Igbo brothers in the 5 Southeast states. Every Igbo indigenous in 13 Nigeria states, they are all 100% Igbo people. They are equal. None of them is more Igbo than another. If you are not an Igbo person, why are you adding Igbo to that word Delta? You not be Igbo person, but if you want to explain yourself, you go to say you be Delta Igbo. Why are you adding Igbo there? So if there is no Delta, you cannot add that Igbo. There is nothing like Delta Igbo. Just say, I am an Igbo person. If the person asks you, Igbo person from where? Tell the person, I'm an Igbo person from Delta states. When you say Delta Igbo, that means you are not an Igbo person without that word Delta. When we are Anioma people, we are zoned to Western region in 1939. We are being called Western Igbos. When we joined the Midwestern region, we were called Midwestern Igbos. When we were called Bendel States, we were called Bendel Igbos. Now that we are in Delta State, we are called Delta Igbos. Why are they adding Igbo there? They are adding Igbo there to make people to know that we the Igbo speaking people in those regions are Igbo people. Urobo people in Bayelsa State today, they are called Bayelsa Urobo people. Ijaw people in Ondo State today, they are called Ondo Ijaws. Ijaws of Ondo State. The Igbo people in Kogi State today, they are called Kogi Igbos. We Ukwuani people have been recognized as Igbo people even before the creation of Nigeria. In Delta State Traditional Rulers and Chiefs Law, Ukwuani is not recognized as an ethnic nationality. Ika is not recognized as an ethnic nationality. Enuani is not recognized as an ethnic nationality. These are facts. Go and verify. Anioma people were gazetted by the law of Delta State as Igbo people. Abo, Igbo. Kwale, Igbo. Ogwashuku, Igbo. Ubuluku, Igbo. Ibuzo, Igbo. If we tell them they go come online, they talk another thing, we are not Igbo people. Yet, the government of Delta States recognize you people as Igbo people. Are you more intelligent than the government of Delta State? Delta State government went to say, Anioma people na Igbo people. They tell you say they not get sense. She said that Ukwuani people don't understand Warri language. Ebuka Obi asked her whether she understands Anambra language. She said yes, and that's because Anambra and Ukwuani people speaks almost the same. People where we say their language, they almost the same. Is that not enough reason for you to know that we Ukwuani people and these people are brother? Oh? If you be Ukwuani person, once you know that Ukwuani language is an Igbo language, Ukwuani language is a Bia language. If you know this thing, just know say you not get problem with identity crisis again. But if you be Ukwuani person, you can't feel say Ukwuani language is separate from Igbo. Ukwuani is not Igbo language. Now there your problem from starts. No matter how educated you are in Ukwuani land, if you talk say Ukwuani is not an Igbo language, if you talk say Ukwuani is a separate language from Igbo language, you not just know anything. Any professor from Ukwuani land where they talk like that, he is saying it from the angle of bitterness. She thought say, Ukwuani don't understand Warri language. Urobo language and Ukwuani language have no connection. We don't understand each other. The only thing we Ukwuani people know be say, if Urobo people greet each other, Mingwo, Vredo, that is the only thing that we Ukwuani people understand. Just as if we Ukwuani people greet Ajay Otofe, Urobo people gonna say, now Ukwuani people greet in Bidiso. If Urobo people speak 100 things for Urobo language, me Ukwuani person I'm not gonna understand one thing. That is to tell you that we Ukwuani people and Urobo people are different people entirely. We are not the same ethnic nationality. We are not the same tribe. We are not the same people. We are just neighbors. We Ukwuani people and our brothers in Anambra State, we are not neighbors. We are one people. Forget all these state boundary. Anambra State, Anioma State, Enugu State. Come out all those things. We be one people where they speak the same language, where they live for the same geographical location. Anioma not get boundary with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. We are all Igbo people. But Igbo nation have boundary with Urobo people. That is because we don't speak the same language. We are not the same people. And for that, Ukwuani land is the boundary between Igbo nation and Urobo people. She said that Ukwuani use the Igbo for market days, which are Eke, Olie, Afo, and Nkwo. Every Igbo people worldwide use the Igbo for market days. Eke Day in Ukwuani land is Eke Day in Anambra State, Enugu, Abia, Ebonyi, and Imo. If today is the 1st of January 2027, and that today is Eke Day in Ukwuani land, that same day, the 1st of January 2027, is Eke Day in the whole communities in Anambra State. Is the same Eke Day in the whole communities in Enugu State. Same with the whole communities in Ebonyi, Imo, and Abia States. Today no go fit be Eke Day for Ukwuani land make today be only a day for Anambra State, e no dey possible. Today no go fit be for day for Ukwuani land, make today be Eke day for another Igbo community, e no dey possible. Every Igbo speaking people worldwide use one Eke day the same day. They use Olie day the same day. They use Afo day the same day. They use Nkwo day the same day. Is that not enough reason for Ukwuani people to know that they are one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast? People wey be say una dey use the same 4 market days. Ofo wey una dey use for Ukwuani land, every Igbo community worldwide dey use Ofo. The food we eat in Ukwuani land is the same food our Igbo brothers in the southeast eat. The same masquerade, the same deities. Everything in Ukwuani land is the same thing that our Igbo brothers use in the southeast. Why are some Ukwuani people saying that they are not Igbo people? Our language for Ukwuani land, they expose us say we be Igbo people. Our names, they expose us say we be Igbo people. Our culture and tradition, they expose us say we be Igbo people. Yet, ignorance not go allow some of our Ukwuani people to accept the fact. She said that Ndi Igbo in the southeast are speaking rubbish. That Ukwuani people are the ones speaking the correct one. Is Ukwuani language better than Ika language? No. No Ika person will go ever tell you say Ukwuani language is better than Ika language. No Oshimiri and another person go tell you say Ukwuani language is better than their own language. We all speak Igbo language, but none of them go tell you say Ukwuani better pass their own. No Igbo dialect is better than Ukwuani dialect. Ukwuani dialect is not better than another Igbo dialect. We Igbo people are one people. Ebuka Obi said that the Biafra War is the reason why so many Ukwuani people are saying that they are not Igbo people. The Biafra War contributed to the identity crisis in Ukwuani land today. But the Biafra War is not the only thing. Even before the Biafra War, some Ukwuani people are saying that they are not Igbo people. That is because our elders in Ukwuani land are telling we Ukwuani people that we are Bini people, even when we are not Bini people. The names of our ancestors in Ukwuani land are not Bini names. Our ancestors in Ukwuani land that left Iduland to our present location, they all bear Igbo names. If you come to Gumema community, our ancestors that founded our community, they bear Igbo names. Go to other Ukwuani communities, the same thing. So, now the reason why they make some Ukwuani people they thought say they not be Igbo people, say they be Bini people. That is because their fathers, when they tell them about their history, not they tell them the truth. Lack of historical understanding are the problem where we get for Ukwuani land. Biafra War come, it can contribute to the identity crisis where we face for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani people, stop denying your Igbo identity, whether we Ukwuani people like it or not. Ukwuani is Igbo. Ukwuani language, culture and tradition is Igbo. Everything about we Ukwuani people is Igbo. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity. It will not take us anywhere. We Ukwuani people being proud of our Igbo identity will not remove our Ukwuani identity. Nriman is an Nriman. Ikwere man is an Ikwere man. Nsuka man is an Nsuka man. Ika man is Ika man. Ukwuani man is Ukwuani man. But that name, Igbo, holds we Bia speaking people together. Bia speaking people are called Igbo people. And for that, we Ukwuani people are Igbo people because we are not the only people speaking the language that we speak. We are not the only people practicing the culture that we practice. Everyone in Nigeria that practice the same culture that we practice in Ukwuani land, they are our brother, they are our people. Everyone in Nigeria that speaks the language that we Ukwuani people speak, they are our brothers, they are our people. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity. Igbo bofu, Ishiegwale.